Hello and welcome, Essex County College family. This is the Virtual Cafe powered by Student Life and Activities. Hope you're all doing well. Today's episode number 89 is our Moodle 2022 walkthrough. Now, I don't know why computer programs change, but they do. They get updated. They have better features. Moodle is something that all of you at Essex have gotten to know over the past few years. If you're in the middle of your education, if you're entering your second year, it has changed significantly. There are new features, there are new ways to do things in the program that you're going to use for all of your online, your virtual, asynchronous classes, what have you at Essex. I don't know what's changed. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know anything about it at all because I've been out of school for a very long time, and rightfully so. But today we have a master with us, a guru. He is, like me, an old head from West Essex. We're now both at the main campus. He is Essex's LMS administrator, and he's probably one of the top 5 smartest people at Essex County College. So we are absolutely thrilled and privileged to have Mr. Floyd Hutchinson with us today. Floyd, how are you today, sir?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
All right, so now you're going to take us through a tutorial on Moodle. You're going to help all of our students learn the new version of Moodle and all the changes that have happened, and, you know, just let us know how we can succeed with Moodle and what we need to do to get the most out of it.
All right. I'm going to definitely do that with you guys. This is the Moodle landing page right here where you log into Moodle and you log in right here. So I'm going to log in as a student right now. And once you log into Moodle, you'll see that it looks a little different than before. Right here is where you'll see all your courses, and also over here would be all your current courses. So this would be your current courses, meaning the courses that you're participating in as of this moment. Okay. Then right here in the middle is where you'll have access to all your courses. But we also have a filter option right here. So right now you see it's on all, but you could also do in progress, future courses, and also past courses. Okay, so if you want to do in progress, you can do in progress, and it'll show you in progress courses. So that's if you have multiple courses. And then you'll click on your course. And once you get into your course, you'll see Moodle looks a little different from before. But one thing that you'll see is that there's an instructor information area right here. And this is where your instructor should put all their information, their name, their email address, phone number. If they have a website, they can also add a website and whatever other information that they need, they'll put there. Also up at the top right here, we have added some links. So there's some student resources link. So you have a Moodle guide, email, bookstore, tutoring. So those are all your resources. And also if you want to get to the library, there's an ECC library link right here. The faculty resources is for faculty. So you have your student resources, and also you have your library. And I'm going to come back over here also. Over here, we also have some links. You'll see that course resources. So if you want Office 365, the link is over here. If you have a class that is using responders on a quiz or test, this is where you come to download responders. This link will take you directly to the download page for responders. And also we added the My ECC and email links right here. So there's 2 places where you can get email. And also right here is My ECC link. Okay. Once you're in your class, you have your course material. In your course material, you'll see announcements, your syllabus, your book link, even an attendance module. So right here is your book link. For those of you guys You may be a new student. Once you click on the book link, you're always going to be asked to register. So you have to register if you're a new student, and you'll have to register using your ECC email. And I shouldn't just say that's for new student. For example, if you're new to the McGraw-Hill, you've never had a class that uses McGraw-Hill, you're going to have to register. If it's a Pearson class and you've never used Pearson, you're going to have to register. But please use your Essex email, not your personal email, to register, because then we have that one. Once you register that email for the first time to the book, it's going to be one-step login. That means you log into Moodle, and to access your book, it'll automatically log you into those books. So you have to use your email. Okay. So course material, like I said, will have all of that. Now, if you're using a virtual class, you'll also have a Zoom link here. So all of that information would be right here in your course material. Now let's go on to the weeks. In the weeks will be all your assignments. And and by the way, this happened to me, that's perfect. As a new student, I'm logging in as a new student, it will let me know the information about what I'm clicking on that I haven't done before. So this right here will tell me about dates and everything. It's due Sunday, July 10th and July 17th. So this pop-up will give me information about it. I can click the X to get out of it. So there it is. There's my discussion. There's a Moodle, there's a paper that is due and test. So right here, we'll have all of that information. And as you can see under my discussions and my test will be my due dates and all dates related to it. Okay. The paper right here, this is turn it in. Sometimes we'll have the date, but on this one, it does not have the date. So under each activity, we'll have the date. Also, you have your calendar right here on this side, which we're going to be listing your calendar and everything like that. Okay. And then all you got to do is just click. So for example, if I want to do my discussion, I'll just click on my discussion. There it is. Once more, it's discussing about this. I'll just click end the tool for now. And right here's my discussion questions. I can click on my discussion and I click reply. And now I can reply to my discussion. And now I can just post, and that will post my discussion questions. While you're in your class also, if you scroll down on the My Courses, would be all your current courses. So you have on your My Courses right here, also all your current courses. So right now I'm only registered for one class as the student. But if you are a student that's taking 3 or 4 classes, you don't always have to go out to the dashboard. You can just come right here to My Courses, and that will take you to your other courses. Okay. Another thing that we have added in Moodle is that we've added some student resources at the bottom of every class that is related to Moodle. So if you go right here where it says student Moodle tutorial, you'll have a video talking about Moodle. You have an introduction to a site, common terminology. So all of these, if you want to review it, quizzes in Moodle and all of these, and you can go over it. And then student common resources will list all the resources that your student will interact with. You have your URLs, your PDFs, your Word. So these are all the documents, and it'll just help you to know what to do when those resources are up. So you can use those resources at the bottom of every class. Okay. And in terms of that, should cover everything in Moodle. If there's any problem that you have in Moodle, I would say always contact your professor first before you contact me. Reach out to your professor, find out what is the problem, if he can help, if they can help. If the professor cannot help, then you can reach out and contact me, and then I can go from there to help you. I hope that helps. And if there are any questions, feel free to reach out and talk to me. Thank you.
Would you say, your personal opinion, is this the best version of Moodle that we've had so far?
Well, with every update, it gets better, but so far, this is one of the best that we've had. We just rolled it out, as you know, for this summer session. Professors have loved it. Our students are not complaining, and we're trying to get there where it's better. Um, in the September, we'll be adding another feature, some other features related to the books for both professors and students, where as before that I just showed, the link for the book was only at the top, but most of our classes now would have links embedded in every week, and it's going to be direct links. So let's say you have a test or quiz that is in the book software. Before, you had to click on the book link and then find that quiz and go to the quiz. Now the professors will be able to provide direct links to every quiz or every assignment that is within the book. So that is going to be going across the board.
That's awesome, because I remember that being an issue with a bunch of our students in the past couple of semesters, where it was mostly like communication errors between professors and students, where the student would say, I can't find my assignment. I can't find the link anywhere. I can't find it. And it was kind of ambiguous sometimes where the professor had put it. That's a great.
Exactly, because there's some professors, they'll even like put like an assignment link. And when you click on the assignment, say, do the assignment in, for example, Connect. And then the students will be lost. Like, where's the assignment? I just clicked on the assignment. But now the professors don't have to do that. They actually will provide the link to the assignment. So when you click on that assignment link, it'll take you directly into the assignment.
All right, we want to thank our very, very special guest, Master Guru Floyd Hutchinson, our LMS administrator at Essex County College. As you can see, he's very, very well versed with Moodle. He covered all the basics right there for you. You can go back and reference this video on our YouTube channel, SLAO Essex. Anytime that you need assistance with Moodle, check with your professors first, check this video second, and if you still need help, then you can go ahead and give Mr. Hutchinson a call or an email, and I'm sure he'll be able to help you. But chances are it was covered here in this video today, or it may be something on your professor's end that needs to be checked as well. So we want to thank Mr. Floyd Hutchinson once again for joining us on Virtual Cafe. We appreciate his help. We hope that all of you have a wonderful fall semester coming up this September 2022. Please let your friends and your classmates know that Moodle has been updated and has some new features and some new controls, and to check out our walkthrough video here to learn more about it. We hope that you and your families are doing well during this time. Please stay safe, keep cool, and we will catch you next time. Take care.